गोयच्या उद्देग मळाचो कारभार मार्च 2023 मेरेन जाग्यार घालतलो अशी माहिती गोय उद्देग महामंडळाचो अध्यक्ष आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स हांणी दिल्या। आयडीसीच्या उद्देगीक वसणुकांनी साधन सुविधा उणी आशिल्ल्या कारणान उद्देजकांकडल्यान भूखंडाच्या निवेदा खातीर कमी प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा अशी खंत तांणी ह्या वेळार उक्तायल्या। आयडीसीच्या बेशिस्त आनी आळशी कामगारांचेर ह्या फुडें सरकार कडक कारवाय करतले अशें ताणें म्हळां।
We are slightly lacking in infrastructure. Road is we are now playing stress on it. Second, I was expecting, because I had maintained a sarke free process, which is non-interference by anybody. In the process I handled it. So I was expecting more coverage. Which I was expecting more people to bid for it. But somehow Zalna. But we are looking forward to doing some benefit where our goals also will be accommodated. Second part is it is better than last time. Last time 7 गिराले, but 10 है. So it is getting better. आमची चॅलेंज ती आता अनिमाइज करपाक आनी रिकवरी करपाक आमकां थोडे लोन आहले. वी आर क्लियरिंग द लोन्स. वी आर पुटिंग दॅट इन ऑर्डर. वन्स लोन्स आर ओवर, infrastructure will be taken care. Once infrastructure is taken care, we will take labor issues, staff issues आहे ते रेगुलराइज झाले नाही. All those issues systematically we are going with the help of the Chief Minister. Chief Minister आहे total help आहा. Chief Minister म्हणटा कोण काम कोणे तेजी एक्शन पासून घे. आमी मातशे रावले, अजून एक चान्स दिताय. कित्याक तेंगे कितें जालां, तेंगे थोड्यांगे सारकें हें जालां आहा तें. दे बिकम हें कितें म्हणटा तें, दे बिकम गबर्स देर. So we have to take action against some fellows who are doing too much. It's not that way. Chief Minister is saying take action. I'm waiting. I'm just hoping that things will improve, and we are looking forward to sarke put everything in order by March. That time we will ask. That time Chief Minister आमी सांगून आमी इंडस्ट्री कडेन मागीर डिमांड करतले.
कितलो लोन आसलो तो?
Loan about 50 CR ahlo, balance ahlo. 25 CR we have 25 crores we have almost Zala settled with this. So now with another 12-13 which is coming, I think we will be balance samka anek maybe 18-17 we will be able to. But we will manage.
Total plots कितले?
Total plots actually plots 30 ahle. But then I'm 10 takers zale. But then it's quite good if you go to see, at least, but not beyond, but not to my expectation. I was expecting more.